Where is my hat? This is Cobby. Cobby is a messy bear. His family is going to the park. But Cobby can't find his red hat. He looks under the table, no hat. He looks behind the door, still no hat. He looks on the sofa, nothing there. Cobby lies down on the bed. Something is under the blanket. It's his hat. Cobby laughs and runs to his family. Questions and answers. Who is this? This is Cobby. Is Cobby neat or messy? Cobby is a messy bear. Where is his family going? His family is going to the park. What can't Cobby find? He can't find his red hat. Where does Cobby look first? He looks under the table. Does he find the hat there? No, he doesn't. Where does he look next? He looks behind the door. Is the hat there? No, it isn't. Where else does Cobby look? He looks on the sofa. Is the hat on the sofa? No, it's not. What does Cobby do next? He lies down on the bed. What's under the blanket? His hat is under the blanket. What does he do? He laughs and runs to his family. Vocabulary. Messy. The room is messy. Park. We play in the park. Hat. She has a yellow hat. Table. The cat is under the table. Door. He opens the door. Sofa. Dad is on the sofa. Lie down. He lies down on the bed. Blanket. He sleeps with a colorful blanket. Laugh. The boy laughs at the clown.